Hi everyone, how's it going? We are going to be making digital planners. Create a new project, custom size graphic. We'll be making like a print document today. Do the classic letter size. And then if you click through these tabs, you'll be able to find other dimensions as well. We'll start off with a task list. So we're going to add some text here by going to the text tab. We have different text templates here as well. I really like this one. It is so cute. We have this text template here. Let's ungroup it. Let's see what we're working with. So we have a large like display font text here. We have a second line right here, and then we have little stars. Let's put this all on one line just to really maximize the space. And then we have all these stars, which we will lay out later. And then we'll make this say like task list. Place the sparkles. Now let's group this. And then now for this, where we can say like personal. Let's duplicate this, align it, bring it down here. Now we're going to create like maybe some lines. We have some shapes here. Click on the line shape, make it as thin as we can. Let's add another shape, square maybe. And then let's like line it up with the P, something maybe like this. Let's group it. We're going to just duplicate that. Add your text. Yeah. All right, looks good. Group this, duplicate it, bring it down. Here we go. Let's add another shape here. Separate this, put like a little bit of a background on it. But let's start with a photo. I like this one too. So let's add this to the background. We will add a shape, and then we're gonna put it actually behind all of our text here. Let's change the fill to white, and then we can add a border. In the layers panel, take the layer that the shape is on, and then we're going to click and drag it to behind the last piece of text. Click on the text, change the color by clicking this box here, but using the eyedropper tool, pick a color from the background. And then now we're going to adjust the stars. And then once you have the color down, it'll live in the color palette, so you don't even have to do the eyedropper tool step anymore. Moving on from the task list, just duplicate this page so that we have the similar like colors and branding. And we're gonna switch it up and make like some sort of weekly spread. Week of looks good. And then now we're just going to duplicate this page and then change it again. Okay, so we have this is the weekly spread. We don't have like front and back covers. So let's say if we want to add this as a PDF and put it on iPad or phone or something, we need a cover. Do what we do. Ungroup this, 2023. Or, you know, this really could say whatever. You can put your name, Katrina's Planner 2023. We're going to take this page and drag it to the front. This is Adobe Express, the homepage you get here by going to express.adobe.com, and it's completely free to get started creating. We have our create a new project navigation up here. We have some quick actions, and then if you scroll down, we got some templates. Digital planner. There's different kinds of planners. There's different formats. The possibilities are limitless. I will see you next time.